Jesus Christ. It's like a detective show here. Okay, we're gonna watch the rest of this video, yes, but let me just tell you something. If you put less money down, you have multiple risks. First of all, if the value of your home decreases, you can completely be washed out, meaning you can go into the red. Why? Because you know that phrase leverage? Everyone's like, leverage, leverage, leverage. They think leverage is just a super secret thing that makes you get more money. That's basically what Americans think. Leverage equals free money. No. Leverage accelerates your gains on the way up, and leverage accelerates your losses on the way down. So if your house price goes down just a little bit with a tiny amount of a down payment, you're in the red. You've lost all your money, okay? And more. The second risk is that the type of people who buy a house only putting 3% down are likely the type of people that cannot comfortably save enough money for the predictably unexpected home maintenance costs that are going to be coming their way.